Hi, I'm Eric Johnson with Johnson Computer Technologies in the DIY Do-It-Yourself series. In this first series that we're going to be talking about is how to make the recycle bin reappear and how to control also desktop icons. As you noticed on the desktop here, my cursor is viewing the different icons on it. I don't see any recycle bin. Now, how to get it to appear back onto your desktop is simply go to a blank area on the desktop, do a right click on the cursor or on your mouse. If you got a touchpad, it'd be 2 buttons on a laptop accordingly. But you want to do a right click. Let me explain what a right click does on a right-handed mouse user. If it's a left-handed mouse user, it would be the opposite of what I'm talking about. It brings up a menu, and this is true to any of them. If I went to another icon and did a right click, it'll bring up a menu for that as well. So what I'm going to make sure I do is go to an empty area on the desktop to do a right click to bring a menu list up. Down on the bottom of this menu list there is an item called Personalize. Do a left click on it. It opens up a new window. Within this window there is a split to it. The right split talks about different features in a group module. On the left side there is Task. And in these tasks I want to change the desktop icons. That is what I'm achieving to do. Do a left click on it. It opens up a new window called Desktop Icon Settings. In there you see the desktop icons for the standard icons of the system. This system that I'm on is the Windows Vista Ultimate, but it'll work on any of the Vistas as well as Windows 7 for this technique. Now that we're in the desktop icon setting window, we notice that it's not checked for the recycle bin. Go ahead and check mark it for a simple evaluation and then apply. As soon as you click on apply, you notice that the screen had jumped and it automatically put the recycle bin in there. I'm just going to move these so you can see what I was talking about. I still have these windows still up. Now, if I wanted to make the recycle bin disappear again, I just simply uncheck it and apply, and it makes it go away. When I click on it, an apply button makes it apply to the desktop. If I do not apply it, it will not achieve the goal of applying it to the desktop. Once I've done that, then I select OK and close out, and now the icon is there, the recycle bin. If I want to empty the recycle bin, I can always do a right click on it, say empty recycle bin, and it empties it. Of course, in Vista and Windows 7, they will always come up with security windows to ask, do you want to do it? And you allow it. You could also, and this is probably how it happened in Windows Vista, if you accidentally go down and hit delete by doing a right click on the menu, you can delete the recycle bin in Vista this way. If you happen to apply it and you said yes, then it's no longer there. But it's not totally gone because it is what we call a system icon. System icons never get totally deleted out of the system. They're always part of the program. So if you happen to have done that on your desktop, simply go to the desktop in a blank area, do a right click to bring up the menu, go to Personalize, then go to Task. Under Task, go to Desktop Icons. In the Desktop Icon Settings, go to Recycle Bin, apply it, and it reappears again. You could also choose if you wanted to have the computer. Computer is the same thing as My Computer in XP that you're used to in Vista and all, and it'll appear onto your desktop. If you don't want that, then you can always uncheck it, apply it, and apply is always necessary. If you do not click on apply, it will not happen. Okay? So that's an important note. Once you've done all that, close this window out properly, click OK, and then once you're done with this window, you can always exit out of it. That is how you can apply and unapply icons onto the desktop. If you have any more questions with this, feel free to stay tuned to the same website or media that you found this at, as well as you can also get a hold of Johnson Computer Technologies. Our phone number is 770-627-2641. Have a good day.